Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw French fries while we learn Spanish. We draw the box. Box in Spanish is CAJA. Usually made of carton. That is said, CARTÓN. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. Very good! And now we draw the French fries. I love French fries. And you? It's time for the question of the day. How do you say French fries in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. French fries are yellow, so let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. It looks good. And now we paint the box red. Red in Spanish is ROJO. Let's see if you know the answer. French fries in Spanish is PATATAS FRITAS. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.